Hey Elijah, it's me, Cody again. I see that you posted your start to your narrative. I'm so excited that you posted, and I can't wait to work on your narrative with you. I see that you wrote about the Erie County Fair and how it's important to you. I remember when we discussed how important it was to you, and that's great that you have this great idea and a great start to a personal narrative. I noticed the part in here about the maple syrup, and I remember such vivid details when you told me about this when we were talking one-on-one with each other. I almost wonder if you can use that part about the maple syrup stand as a small slice and elaborate on it using all five senses. So I pulled up something, I'll show you really quick, um, on using your five senses in your writing. So something you might see is sight. For example, the tiny red ant climbed up the broken twig. So you saw this tiny ant. Maybe you tell me what you saw when you first walked up to that maple syrup stand. What did it look like? Maybe you start with just what you saw right away. And then the smell, because you know when you start to get closer to the stand, you can start to smell it. The sweet smell of freshly baked apple filled the air. You can talk about that smell of maple. Maybe you can smell it from way back when you first saw it. Really describe what you smell and how it drew you in. Then you can talk about the sound. Maybe there was sound of popcorn popping, or there was crackling of someone opening a bag and crunching on it. And the touch before you touched it. So talk about when you touched the maple butter, maybe how it tasted different or felt different from when you touched the maple popcorn or the maple snow cone, how cold it was in your hand as you ate it. Another one that will be great, and I know you're going to be great at this, is the taste. So the example they gave is one bite of the sour lemon caused my lips to pucker. I think that you'll be able to get that taste down of all the different things that you were able to try at the maple stand. Maybe try to use that small slice using these five senses that I have here for you on the screen to help you better develop that part of your story. And then once you get started on that small slice right here, like I left in your comments, you will be on a really great, strong start for your personal narrative. If you have any questions, please reply back to my comments. I could do another one of these if these really help. Thank you so much, Elijah. Have a nice day.